Alright, so what you gotta do is, once the assembly is out, you have to remove this screw and this screw. You will need to move this wire out of the way a little bit to be able to pull this out. When you pull it out, be careful because there's a little like a little ball bearing that might fall out. So this is what you get, and what you got to do is you got to clean these one by one, and also clean these little contacts. What I mean by being careful is with this, when you pull it out, there's a little ball bearing that falls out. So there's one on this side and there's one on this side. This goes up here. You push it in. But we'll worry about that once we put it back together. So you grab some sandpaper and you just start scraping the terminals till they're clean. That's done. Sometimes you need to get some, like maybe Windex or something to remove the grime, because they're kind of like sticky, like they got like some sort of grease or something. So you use this. Alright, that should be good enough. Now let's put this stuff back together. This is a little tricky when you're putting this back together, because this little ball bearing likes to fall out. So what you gotta do is you kind of tilt this, or grab your sandpaper, push it in, and you slide it through until it's in there. Like that. It's in there. Make sure these don't move out of place. You gotta be careful. And we will close this back. Make sure it's on there well. Alright. And then we get our screws. All right, let's go mount it.